EU Kids Online, as a research network, has been heavily involved in contributing to the policy process. Supported under the European Commission's Safer Internet programme, there are national teams in each now of 33 countries, and each also engages very directly with safer internet initiatives in their own countries, with relevant government ministries, civil society organisations, and indeed contributing to educational outreach programmes. The policy work package has been concerned with trying to collate and bring together the various different policy issues that we have identified through our research and through the evidence that has been collected. So in our latest report, in fact called Final Recommendations for Policy, we've tried to bring together the insights from all of the different kinds of analysis that we have conducted, including the detailed further analysis of the quantitative data, as well as qualitative research and the substantial body of new research that has been gathered for that purpose. So in our final report, what we've done is addressed individual stakeholders. Internet safety is known to be a shared responsibility. There are diverse stakeholders involved, and it was important to try and bring together the different insights and the different conclusions that we had developed over the last 2 to 3 years. So we have addressed policy recommendations for government, for industry, for civil society, the key stakeholders involved in contributing to an architecture and a whole infrastructure around internet safety provision. But the policy recommendations aren't just for governmental or for organisational bodies represented in this field. They're also addressed to young people themselves, and we have developed a series of recommendations based on our findings and based indeed on what young people themselves have told us through the research about their experiences, their particular coping strategies, and how the research points in the direction of better emphases and better approaches towards keeping safe online. We've also developed recommendations for parents and for educators, and indeed this has been a focal point of the research and the analysis to date, that we look at not just the experiences of problematic encounters, of risks, of difficulties that have been widely debated and discussed in the public arena, but also in terms of what it is that young people need to do in terms of dealing with, coping, how they can build better resilience, and with that in mind, addressing recommendations towards parents about how they can respond, and how educators play a crucial role indeed in providing support in terms of being a source of trusted information and also of training and digital literacy skills.